Today, we're going to talk about the most superior stablecoin that is ever created that goes by the name of Edelcoin. Now, this is an ERC20 stablecoin on Ethereum that not only preserves value during uncertain market conditions, but it also appreciates in value over time and does not depreciate even if the fiat currency is devalued. And that's because Edelcoin is not backed by any fiat or a single commodity. It is backed by a basket of precious and base metals that have proven to have a stable price that appreciates in value over time. Now, this stablecoin is already available to be purchased on Maxi Exchange, XT Exchange, Lbank, Probit, and Coinbase. If you think about it, this is an application of real-world asset tokenizations, which is a concept that is believed to take crypto to the next level, as emphasized by BlackRock's commitment to it. So Edelcoin not only belongs to stablecoin category, but it also can be categorized as an RWA coin. But primarily it is a stablecoin. In fact, it is one of the fastest growing stablecoins. It has already made its way to the top 10 stablecoins. And when you look at it, what it has to offer, you'll understand why. First, let's talk about why this is a superior stablecoin. Right now, you're uncertain about where the market is heading. Trust me, we all are. Bitcoin is still hovering around its all-time high of the last bull season. People don't know if the market is going to go up from there or down from here. You don't want to lose your money, but you also don't want to miss out on the opportunity to make money if the market goes up. Now, this dilemma will always exist in the crypto space. And in times like these or during bear markets, you cannot keep all your savings or holdings in crypto assets, and you cannot risk losing a significant portion of your wealth. So what you do is you pick a stable store of value and keep your money in it. Now, this is where stablecoins comes in. If we want to protect ourselves from suffering loss due to devaluation of coins in our portfolio, we either convert our crypto to fiat or in stablecoins. Now, stablecoins, as the name suggests, are coins that are stable because they're pegged to an asset or assets whose value is relatively stable. For example, USDT. It is a stablecoin that is backed by or pegged to US dollar. Now, one USDT will always equal one US dollar, no matter the market conditions, which is a really good option to preserve value when the market is dropping. Most people keep their holdings in these stablecoins when they are uncertain about the market, or if they are getting some sort of yield from these stablecoins. Now, that's why we have about $180 billion that is invested in these stablecoins as of this moment. We can say that the stablecoins are a reliable tool to hedge against volatility because they offer consistency even when the market is inconsistent. But this is where conventional stablecoins fall short. They protect against crypto volatility, but not against inflation of the fiat currency they are tied to. When the dollar or other fiat currency loses value, so do the stable coins that are pegged to them, which reduces their purchasing power. And this is where Edelcoin comes in, which is one of the fastest growing stable coins, as I mentioned earlier, and it has already made its way to the top 10 stable coins despite being relatively new. Edelcoin presents a groundbreaking solution to this problem. Unlike traditional stable coins that are pegged to fiat, Edelcoin is backed by a diversified basket of precious and base metals. Now, these commodities like nickel and cesium, they have shown resilience and long-term growth. While prices of individual metals may fluctuate in the short term, the cumulative value of this basket is designed to increase steadily over time. And that's what makes Edelcoin a superior stablecoin, not just within the crypto world, but in the real-world financial markets as well. Because look at it this way, stablecoins that are pegged to fiat offer us two possibilities. One, it retains the current value even if the market drops, or second, it drops in value if the fiat currency it is tied to is devalued. So one good and one bad. But if we talk about Edelcoin, it offers us two possibilities, and both of them are good. First, it retains the value of our assets even if the market drops. But second, it increases in value, which evidently that Edelcoin has. If you take a look at the chart, in this case, we not only combat crypto market fluctuations, but we also counter worldly inflation, which is not possible in any other stablecoin. And that's what makes Edelcoin superior to every other stablecoin because it is a stable store of value, and it is basically detached from the inflationary fiat currencies, and it is independent of any central monetary policies. Now, this innovative approach ensures that holders of Edelcoin are protected not only from the volatility of crypto markets, but also from the depreciation of traditional currencies. Now, the strength of Edelcoin lies in its diversification. Single commodity backed tokens that are prone to price swings of individual assets. But Edelcoin has carefully selected a portfolio of metals that minimizes this volatility. This curated basket ensures that the coin remains stable even during turbulent market periods, which gives users confidence in its value. Right now, the metals that are included in this basket are these. We have isotope of copper, which are of high purity in the form of a fine powder. We have high purity nickel in the form of the thinnest wire, and we also have high purity cesium-133. And here's some important information. Each Edelcoin is over-collateralized by 125%. Over-collateralization means that the value of the assets that are backing each Edelcoin exceeds the coin's value. Basically, for every $1 worth of Edelcoin, there is $1.25 worth of metals that are held as collateral. Now, this 125% over-collateralization ensures extra security for holders, as it protects the coin's value even during fluctuations in the prices of the underlying metals. Now, since we are talking about security and protection, the underlying metals, they're securely stored in high security warehouses in Switzerland, which meet ISO standards for safety and access control. Now, they have independent custodians such as Adel Swiss AG, who manage the storage, and they ensure that the assets remain separate from the issuer. And to maintain transparency, the collateral is regularly inspected, and it is valued by professional third-party institutes, which provides continuous verification. Now, these measures guarantee that the assets backing Edelcoin are always intact, properly accounted for, and aligned with the coin's over-collateralization requirements. Beyond its role as a stablecoin, Edelcoin provides further value through the Edelverse ecosystem, which includes a lending protocol, a wallet, boutique, AMM pools, liquidity pools, commodities market, and merchandise. So you're not just preserving your wealth, but you can also get yield from Edelcoin. Holders can participate in decentralized lending protocols in which they can earn interest through peer-to-peer lending that is facilitated by secure smart contracts. Now, they can also provide liquidity to pools, and they can earn rewards proportional to their contributions. These additional services within the Edelverse allows users to optimize their returns while maintaining the security of a stable and well-collateralized asset. Now, the boutique will allow users to transform their Edelcoins into precious metals and gemstones. Now, let's talk a little bit about the companies behind the project. That's right. It has multiple companies who provide the full range of services and infrastructure that is necessary for smooth and efficient operation of the business as a complete solution. So we have IT and marketing that is offered by Swiss Cows AG. Equipment for mining operations is developed by Edelweiss Group AG. Storage is owned by Adel Swiss AG, which is a tax-free warehouse in Switzerland that allows to securely hold any kinds of resources. The mining areas that are owned by Edelweiss Group AG, exploitation of these areas basically allowed to create a significant reserve of valuable resources that are now backing Edelcoin. Now, the mining operations, they are still continuing, and they will remain continued. And these operations will make new resources available to either increase the base of Edelcoin or to launch new projects, which is expected to cover the needs of the growing demand in the digital financial world. Now, Edelcoin is issued in Switzerland under strict regulatory compliance, ensuring trustworthiness and operational transparency. A token issuance undergoes rigorous KYC and AML procedures through FINMA licensed organizations, which further cements its position as a secure and legitimate financial instrument. Now, the coin functions as an ERC20 token on Ethereum blockchain, as we discussed earlier, with plans to expand to other EVM-compatible blockchains. Now, this multi-chain strategy, it ensures broad accessibility, which makes Edelcoin available across both decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. Although as of right now, it is only available on centralized exchanges like XT Exchange, Probit, Lbank, and Maxi, and also Coinbase. It is not available on any decentralized exchanges. So don't fall for scams that pretend to be Edelcoin, because from what I'm hearing, there are plenty out there already. Now, Edelcoin has been audited by PwC. Now, this is a Big Four firm based in London. Big Four means that it is among the 4 largest international accounting and professional services firms in the world. Now, this ensures utmost security, transparency, and regulatory compliance under Swiss laws. Now, transparency is a key feature of Edelcoin's offering. Holders have the right to co-own the underlying metal reserves, which are securely stored and not subject to speculative investment. Now, these assets exist independently of the token's issuance, and the coin's collateral is evaluated regularly by professional institutes, as we discussed earlier. Users also have the option to redeem their coins for the underlying metals according to platform policies, which ensures that Edelcoin maintains tangible value. Now, Edelcoin's mission extends beyond financial innovation. The funds that are generated from token sales, they are directed towards sustainable mining practices, which include eco-friendly nano mining technologies. Now, the project also supports global charitable initiatives, which basically allows users to contribute to meaningful causes by holding Edelcoin. Now, the mission of Edelcoin is to stabilize digital payments through tokenization of commodities to a secure and potentially value appreciating payment token, and the revolutionary opportunities of decentralized finance. So, with this being said, I think it is safe to say that Edelcoin is poised to become the go-to stablecoin for individuals and institutes that are seeking a dependable store of value in both crypto and real-world markets. As mentioned earlier, Edelcoin is available to be purchased on major centralized exchanges like XT, Probit, Lbank, Maxi, and Coinbase. It isn't available on any decentralized exchanges, so do refrain from trying to purchase it there. And there we have it. This is all of you guys in this video. If you have any question, make sure to ask in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video shortly, so stay tuned.